Hey guys, welcome back to Super Channel Shadow Martinez. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this Barbie fridge. Yao's not here because he had to take a passport picture, but he's gonna open this Captain America. And it's an action figure, and I'm going to be unboxing this. So before we get on with the video, like this video and subscribe. By the way, we haven't been posting regular videos because we've been doing anime calendar videos, and that's the only videos we've been uploading. So if you guys are wondering, that's like the videos we've been uploading because we said we were gonna do it. So yeah. So let's get started. So this is how it looks in the front. It comes with the Barbie, eggs, a cup, and I don't know what this is, like a jara. I don't know what to call this, but this is where you put the water inside. And what I like about it, in here, you actually can put water, and you put your cup, and it gets the water inside the cup. So here's the fridge and the freezer. Here's the back. That's how it looks. And as I was telling you guys, this is how it works. The water thing. It's really cool. So I'm really excited, and this cost $16.23. And I got it at Walmart. Okay, got it out. So this is how it looks out of the package. Well, not quite out of the package, but almost. So, I'm gonna go ahead and record me. Here's my handy dandy scissors. There. I'm gonna get the Barbie out later. I'm gonna get the things out first. And before I opened it, Yayo cleaned it, and he cleaned his toy, so they wouldn't have corona. Okay, so we got these two out. So I'm gonna save these for later. And next, I'm going to take this out. And I also have to cut this one off. Go. Whoa. And we're gonna do this one. Oh, we gotta get the Barbie out. I'm trying not to cut her hair. There we go. That's the background. This is the Barbie, and she has a bunch of rubber bands on her hair so it doesn't turn crazy. So my sister's here. We're taking a video right now. And so I got this thing out of here. This is where the water is going to go inside. And you can see these. You can open them. It looks like eggs. Yeah, it is eggs. And this thing, you actually put water inside. And you put it back in here. And you get your little funnel. And you put it there, and then you get water. And it actually falls down.
It's an actual, like, gallon.
Yeah.
It's really cool.
Actually really cool.
And
there it is.
There was only one left.
No, there was actually two of these. They had this one in the actual place where they should have them, and there was another one that was just thrown in the floor.
Yeah, but the last time we went there was a lot. But now they like finished all of them.
So that's the fridge, and this is the freezer.
I'm taking out the stuff.
Okay. The thing that I would have loved more about the freezer if it had shelves.
It doesn't have shelves?
No.
Where's the package? I thought it showed it had shelves.
No. Bring it back. No. It's just a picture.
What the heck? I thought it had shelves.
Well, I can put foam inside.
No, I want it to be clear.
Well, that kind of sucks.
Because then we can only put a little bit of our mini brands. Because it's just going to be in the bottom and not even going to be on the top. So we might have to do something like that. We might have to put a plastic. But I got out the eggs. They kind of look like ice cream too. And then this is the little pint or liter of, or pint, sorry, of glass of water. And then this is the little.
Oh, and the Barbies can hold it.
It's on the finger. They can hold it there. And this one, you can just use your hand.
And the thing is, this one actually looks like a glass cup.
This is kind of silly. This came in the gallon, but I think it could be used as a little bowl.
Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this thing up with water. Let's do it. So we filled it up with water and show them how it looks.
So this is how it looks. It's already filled up with water because we already tried it out. But you can stick it in there. And then when you have your little gallon, you can get some water with this. It's like a little suction. And then you could just squeeze it in there like that and press it down.
And it actually pours the water inside.
There you go. And then you can get it out. And then you can pour it into the glass cup. There we are.
Did it get inside?
Mm-hmm.
So guys, I made a little bit of a DIY. So I was looking at the packaging where it came with this thing right here on top. And I cut it, and I cut it like this. Like a pan. Or I can cut it a bit more and like make it into a bowl. I don't know. But I really like it, and I'm going to put my eggs inside of here. It's a bit hard to get some. Oh, there we go. Go. And I can put my mini brands and my other miniature toys. And I really like this. It's like Tupperware things. I have these in like real life, but they're like clearish. Not really clear. They're actually like blue, but you can't even see it. Let me show you. So they're not so similar. I think you just saw it, but look. Yeah, but in the person, they look like bluish purple. But in camera, they look clear. So, yeah. And these are not glass. These are actually plastic. I just noticed you guys can see the Christmas tree right there. Well, that's that. And you guys are next in the next clip. You guys are going to see Yayo unboxing his Captain America. So see you guys. You guys, I don't know if you guys are going to see me, but you guys are going to see that. So peace out.
Okay, so Daisy's done unboxing her Barbie. So now I'm going to be unboxing my Captain America toy. So you guys been waiting for this since I was gone taking a picture for the passport. But here's the Captain America toy. Here he comes with a shield. And this is another Captain America, but in a different suit. And it's Marvel Legends. And I got it also at Ross for $10. And he's so cool, I thought, because my mom liked it too. Everyone else did. So I'm gonna unbox it. Okay, here's the package. I'm gonna unbox it. Right. This is where you open it. I think this handle from here. You have to. There's tape here. There you go. I ripped it. I should keep this. This should be for a mirror. But I'm also gonna get this thing out. Oh look, here's the cool shield. You see it with the light. It looks pretty nice. Oh my god, in the back it looks way better. Okay, here we have the Captain America. So this Captain America is so nice and it's so cool. Awesome toy. Also my sister has a cool toy. And yeah, She unboxed her Barbie toy, and now I'm unboxing this one. And he has armor. His hands can move. He can do this. He can punch. He can go like that. Punch someone in the face. A bad guy. Like Green Goblin, probably. You see that? And I'm gonna put the shield. I think this is how you can put the shield. Like this. It looks so nice. The shield fell. I'm sorry for that. I got the shield, so now I'm gonna do the outro. Alright, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, make sure you guys subscribe, smash the like button, and turn notifications if you like this video. And if you want me and Daisy to do an unboxing video, then give this video a big thumbs up before, and give this comments down below before the comments close in 5 minutes. So see you guys next time. Peace out.